Why are the markets green today? And I'm not talking just about crypto. I'm talking about the overall markets. The overarching markets are green. Well, people seem a little bit bullish. What is going on? Let's discuss. Look at this. Right now, we are on the S&P 500. And over the last few weeks, we have had a little bit of a momentum shift here with a potential bottom coming in down here. Potentially not. We'll have to see. But why would the markets be feeling a little bit bullish? We're seeing a similar thing play out on Bitcoin as well. Here we had a little bit of a pump upwards from the low 1900s or even the high 1800s, 1806 we did test there. And we had a nice little pump. And we are just again consolidating sideways within this descending wedge of doom, which most likely, according to the technicals, will break down downwards. Most likely. But what's going on? What is going on? We got the US stock market, right? Currently, as I'm filming, not open yet, but did close green again yesterday, closed green on Friday. What is happening? First of all, we have of course, interest rates that are going to be hiked. 75 basis point is what everyone's expecting for November 2nd. Get that in your calendar. November 2nd. You got 7 days from right now. November 2nd. It's going to affect the market big. The market's going to move drastically. So we got that. First of all, people are already expecting essentially the worst case scenario. If this happens, I think the market will act positively because it's what people expect. So they're already preparing for the worst, and it'll be like a sigh of relief if we get what everyone expects. Now, if it's slightly better than this, 50 basis points, I think the market will react very well, but I don't think this is going to happen yet. I think we got a few more months down the line until we start curbing these inflation numbers, and then we start the interest rates coming down. But we do have word that people are actually expecting the S&P to rally 15% over the next 6 months as inflation cools. And we also do have some word, if I still have the article up, which I probably closed already. Yes, I already closed it. But what we had was people speculating from within the Fed that maybe they are going to have lower interest rates coming very soon, if not potentially on November. So if it doesn't happen, of course, I think the market will react badly. But this is why the market is green today. And as we know, as we full well know, the market has been very similar to the S&P 500, right? Basically tracking each other. This is the S&P 500 trending downwards with a little pump. If we do head to the Bitcoin chart, we can see trending downwards with a little bit of a pump. There we go. We got a little bit of a pump there from the bottom. You know, if we are doing it from the bottom, we can see we've got a 10% move with the S&P 500 from its low right now sitting at a 9% move. So almost exactly the same thing. So they're tracking each other. If we get good news that affects the S&P 500 well, it's going to affect crypto well. And that's why the market is a little bit green today. Hopefully we can sustain this. If you do want to stay up to date with everything that's going on in this market, smash up the subscribe button. And if you do want a perfect place to buy, sell, and trade your crypto, Binance is the platform that I've been with for over 5 years, coming on to 6 years. And I've never had an issue. Right now, you can get up to 100 USDT in trading fee rebates just from signing up using the link down there in my description. There's even up to $600 there as well. One of the best exchanges. You can get Luna Classic on there. You can get Bitcoin on there. You can even trade Bitcoin for free right now. I hold a bunch of my crypto still on Binance because I personally trust it with my own money. You guys have to make your own decisions, but if you do fancy making your own decisions and signing up to Binance, the link is down there in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.